Hello, and welcome to the Digium Switchvox Unified Communications Switchboard demo. In the next few minutes, we'll see how Digium's award-winning Switchboard will provide you with an interactive dashboard for all of your call control needs. The Switchboard is a browser-based tool that gives you real-time control of your phone calls and communications information. With click-to-call, drag-and-drop transfers, one-touch call recording, built-in chat, mobile phone integration, and more, the Switchboard is a communications hub to fuel your productivity, increasing customer and employee satisfaction. The Switchboard is simple. Because the Switchboard runs in your web browser, it makes Switchvox easy to use and easy to deploy. There's no client-side software to install or manage. You simply log in using your favorite web browser and you've got immediate access to your communications. The Switchboard is flexible. Because Switchvox is licensed with all features included, every user gets their own Switchboard at no additional cost. Customizable panels allow each person to create a layout and workflow that meets their own individualized needs. The Switchboard is secure. Access to Switchboard features is controlled by the system administrator. This means you can decide which users get access to which features. As you watch the demo, keep in mind that each feature can be enabled for all of your users, some of your users, or disabled altogether. With Switchvox, you are in control. When a call comes into Switchvox, the Current Calls panel will display the caller ID, including the caller's name and number, with additional information displaying in the Profile panel. With the Switchboard, you can see key information about your caller before you even pick up the phone. And if you are unable to take the call, it's easy to click and drag to transfer the call to another person or straight to voicemail, allowing you to manage the call without even picking up the phone, ultimately saving you time and servicing your customers quickly. Call parking works the same way. Simply click and drag the call to the parking lot. Now everyone can see the calls that are currently parked in their Switchboard. They can choose which call they want to answer and pick it up with a click. Handling multiple calls is a snap. Click to place the current call on hold. Now you can call out to another party. With the Switchboard, you can see which calls are on hold and which are active. Simply click Resume to choose the party you want to speak to. Switchvox phone books give you powerful real-time information about your coworkers. How much time do you waste trying to get in touch with your coworkers when they aren't really available? With Switchvox, you'll stay in the loop with real-time status and presence information. Your phone books show you who's available and who isn't, as well as who's currently on a call. With Click to Call, you can simply click on a phone book entry to send a call to that contact. If their status is set to Prefer Chat, you can send a chat message right from the Switchboard. You can also set your own status from the Switchboard to keep your coworkers in the know. And the nice thing about status is when you change your status, the Switchvox system will know exactly how to route your calls. If you are out of the office, have calls sent to your mobile device with your away status. Easily customize the way calls are handled to meet your specific business needs. The Switchboard gives you real-time visibility into your call center with a built-in call queues panel. Also, manage your call center agents easily with presence, chat, one-touch call recording, and monitor whisper barge capabilities. In addition to the Switchboard, Switchvox offers an array of queue and call reports to pull historical information from your system and display it with attractive charts and exportable data. The queue panel in the Switchboard keeps you up to date with real-time queue statistics. For each queue member, the My Status panel will show individual statistics such as call duration and average talk time. Your call center agents can log in or out and pause with a click right from the Switchboard. As a queue manager, you'll have access to the queue overview, which updates you in real time with vital statistics such as total calls and the average talk time across the queue. Additionally, you'll see individual caller and member data. See who's logged in and taking calls and who isn't. Find out who members are talking to and for how long. You can get quick data by hovering your mouse over the member's name, or scroll down to see who's waiting in the queue. Call recording can be an invaluable feature. Switchvox lets you schedule recorded calls based on the call type. Additionally, the switchboard lets you record calls on the fly. With the appropriate permissions, a manager can click to record an employee's call, or use the monitor feature to silently listen in live. If they need to speak to the employee without the customer hearing, they can use Whisper. And Barge lets the manager barge in on the call. It effectively becomes a three-way conference where all parties can talk to and hear each other. Switchvox includes a compelling mobility solution with fixed mobile convergence and free smartphone applications. The switchboard is also integrated, allowing you to control your calls regardless of which phone you're on. With the switchboard, you can select which phone you'd like to use for device presence. This can be your office phone, mobile, home, remote office, or any phone. You can converge up to 6 phones at one time. Additionally, you can tie call rules to your status information. In other words, you can change how your calls get routed depending on how your status is set. Right from the switchboard, you can choose to send calls to your office phone or to your mobile phone when you're working remotely. Calls to your office extension can be routed to any of your converged phones, so you can receive calls on multiple devices and maintain the ability to transfer the call to another internal or external number as though you were on your office phone. With the Switchvox mobile app, you can even make calls from your mobile phone and have them appear as though they are coming from your office number. Switchvox Mobility keeps you connected wherever you are. The Switchvox switchboard is easy to use and makes you more productive by putting your communication right at your fingertips. To learn more, go to digium.com/switchvox. There, you can try Switchvox for yourself by getting free access to a demo server, or sign up for a live demonstration and detailed question and answer session with a Digium VoIP expert.